In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix ChatGPT stuck on thinking. So the first thing you need to do is swipe up and force quit the app. Now we're going to go into settings, Wi-Fi, and now we're either going to change our network or just turn Wi-Fi off and use data to launch ChatGPT again. If it's still not working, what we can do is back out of this menu and go to General. Now go to iPhone Storage, and in the search bar, what we're going to search for is ChatGPT. Open this up and offload the app. Once you've offloaded it, you'll just need to reinstall it again. This just clears the cache. So another thing to try is just opening ChatGPT and starting a new chat. To do this, you just need to press on this button in the top left corner and then press chat at the bottom. If you find it's still not working, what we need to do is go into the App Store, open our profile in the top right corner, now press App Updates, and obviously if ChatGPT is in this menu here, then you'll need updating. So if it's still not working after all these steps, what you can do is go onto the internet and just type in status.openai, open this up, and it will tell you the status of ChatGPT. Obviously, if these are all red, then it's not an issue of your phone, it's an issue of the servers. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.